Hello students, in this video you will learn how to find a square root of a perfect square by the long division method. A square root of a perfect square by long division method. Here I am taking one question. Find out the square root of 784 by the long division method. So for calculating square root of 784 by the long division method, you have to draw these types of lines, one vertical and then second one horizontal meeting at one corner. Under this horizontal line you will write the given question, which is 784. After writing this number, you have to group the digits in pairs, and whichever digit will be left alone in the last at the left side, you will leave it as it is. But don't think so, this digit is alone here. 0 is here in the left side of 7. You can think in this way. Now, after grouping the digits in pairs, you have to choose a number, greatest number, whose square is equal to the 7 or less than 7. Because now you are going to start doing division. So divisor and quotient here in the first step you have to choose as whose square is equal to 7 or less than 7. For that you have to focus on square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5, square of 6, square of 7, square of 8 and square of 9. Using these squares, you can choose the number. So here, I have taken 2 as a divisor and as a quotient because they are squares. In the square, we multiply same digits. Like 2, you will multiply by 2. 3, you will multiply by 3 in squares. So 2 2s are 4. I have not taken here 3 because 3 3s are 9, greater than 7. We can take either equal to 7 or less than 7. Then subtraction is possible there. Because in the division, subtraction work you have to also do. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4, 3 you will write here. Okay. This 2 in the next step you have to add with the divisor also. Then you will get 4. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now here right side of the 4 you have to choose again one square number. That will give you a new divisor. When you will multiply this new divisor by the next digit of the quotient, you will get next dividend, either equal to next dividend or less than next dividend. It depends on the question. So here I have got 48 as a new divisor and 8 is the next digit of the quotient. You have to multiply 48 and 8. Then you will get 384. Subtract 384 from 384, remainder 0. Means you have completed your long division method for 784. Then 28 is the square root of 784. Now next question, question number 2. Evaluate root under 17,956. Here you can see question has been taken in symbolic way, and in the first question is here in words. So both are same here. Process is also same for both questions. So for calculating a square root of 17,956, again you have to draw one vertical line and one horizontal line meeting at its one corner. Then below this horizontal line you will write 17,956 and you will group the digits in pairs. Then here in the last one you can see it is alone, but it is not alone. 0 is here in the left side of 1. You can think like this. Now start division. As you know, you have to take square numbers. Means when you multiply a number by number itself, it is called squaring of a number. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, you can see the number 1 is being multiplied here by 1, 2 is being multiplied by the number itself 2, 3 is being multiplied by the number itself 3. So this is called squaring of a number, because we are calculating a square root of the given number. So like that, divisors also we have to choose where digits of divisor and quotient are equal. So here I have taken 1 because in the left side 1 is present. So 1 into 1, 1, and then subtract it. Here remainder 0. I have not written. It is already understood. Now this one again you have to add in the divisor. 1 plus 1, 2. And then bring down next period at the place of new dividend. Now you have to choose a next digit whose square will give you 9 here at the units place, because one digit, I am talking about this one digit. So here in the dividend also we will talk about only one digit, and all together when we will multiply 23 by 3, then we will talk about complete number 79. So this is the method. This is the method to find out the square number. So here 23 into 3 when you will multiply, you will not get 79, but less than 79 you will get. Then again, like first step, you have to add 3 with 23 and then you will get 26. Little bit left side you have to write this 26 and leave a space here for next digit. Now subtract 69 from 79, 10. Okay. Then again write down next period here, right side of the 10, and consider as a complete dividend in the new place. So 1056 is a new dividend. Now again, according to the units place digit 6, you have to choose the next digit of the new divisor, which is 26, and here blank. Here blank, you have to take a new digit. So here I have taken 4 in the new divisor and then 4 in the quotient. When you will multiply 4 into 4, you will get 16, and the digit at the units place of 16 is 6 also, which is similar to the digits at the units place of 1056. So Now multiply 4 by the new divisor 264. When you will multiply, you will get 1056 and subtract from the new dividend. Then remainder will be 0. Means you have completed your long division method. Now whatever quotient you get, this is the square root of the given number 17,956. Thank you.